Model, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro 2701.6 CDTI, 90, S ecoFLEX L1H1 Great Bodywork. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 200442. MOT, 3 March 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.690 PSS, SE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows, 2 keys, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £3,675. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074